Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, we'll show you how to create an amazing animated slide with beautiful flower images. Let's get started. Insert 4 flower images onto the slide. Then, select the rectangle shape and drag it to match the size of the image. Next, select the rectangle shape again and change its color to black. After that, insert a text box and type your desired text. Highlight the text and group it with the rectangle shape by pressing Ctrl+click, holding the mouse, and dragging the shape to the right. Repeat this process once more. And feel free to adjust the subtitle number as needed. Now, select all the shapes and ungroup them. Change the color of each shape by selecting it, going to the Fill option, and using the eyedropper tool to pick a color that matches the flowers. Repeat this for each shape. It's time to add some animations. Select all the images, go to the Animations tab, and choose the Fly in Animation. Click on Effect Options and select from left. For the shapes, apply the Fly in Animation again, but this time choose from top. Next, select all the shapes, go to Shape Format, and click Send to Back. Open the animation pane to see your animations. You'll notice that all animations are set to with previous and the duration is 0.5 seconds. For the second animation, add a 0.1 second delay. Repeat this for all animations, increasing the delay by 0.1 seconds each time. Finally, for the last touch, add a rectangle shape at the top of the slide. Change its color to white, and that's it. You've successfully created an amazing animated slide with flower images. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating an amazing animation slide with flower images. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.